with my hair, because my hair is thicker, I can't just blow dry my hair and be like, oh, I'm good, right? Like, oh, I'm done. No, I blow dry my hair and then I straighten my hair. Fine, whatever. But the key to a great flat iron is an amazing blowout, an amazing blow dry, right? And so these are actually really, really good. This was the first one I had gotten, then I got the paddle brush afterwards. But this is fun because I like the bristles. Anyone knows, like, because like you can even use this as like a regular brush, right? Not even on or anything, and you can just use it to brush your hair because the way that the bristles are. So you already know it's a really, really good brush. It'll comb through your hair. It blow dries your hair super, super quick. Honestly, the reason why I love these, why I love this one, is because, okay, I don't know if you guys ever experienced this, but when I blow dry my hair, sometimes, whatever, I'll use like a comb attachment. Look, like a regular blow dryer doesn't have attachment. I'll do a comb attachment so I can, you know, comb through any tangles because my hair is curly. Anyways, sometimes if you hit a knot or a tangle, the attachment will go flying across the room. So I always say I love these because there's no attachment, right? It's just, it's on, it's there, it's here to stay. So if my hair happens to get caught up in it, it's not gonna go flying off, right? I don't know. That's just one of those like curly hair girl problems. I don't know. It's just one of those things. But anyways, what I do is whatever, after I wash my hair, and then I'll blow dry my hair with this or the paddle brush or something, and then I'll flat iron it. But it dries it super quickly because look, I never want to spend more than 5 minutes on my hair, but unfortunately sometimes I do, right? And so anything that's going to speed up the process, I'm all here for it. So this just, you know, it really speeds up the process. Faster drying time gets me faster to the finish line, and then I can be almost done with my hair. But it does a good job. The thing that's unique about like having the round brush as a dryer, I personally don't use it because I feel like I have enough body in my hair. But you can use it to add more volume to your hair. You know, there's a way that you can say that it's on, you just, it's on and it's blow drying, and so this can add more volume at the top, right? So that your hair looks like more full. Me, I'm trying to make my hair look less full for the most part, but if you wanted to do that, you could. But again, because of the way that the bristles are, it combs through like any tangles and stuff like that you have. It has the different heat settings, the cool, the low, and high. Me, I always go to the max because I'm like, let's get this over with, let's get this done, right? But I love it. It's fun.